How to transfer money from USA to Croatia. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for your transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on send money. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be USD, and select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be Euro. As you can see, now after that, type how much you want to transfer. For example, $1,000, and this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, tap on pay with, and now you can select payment method as bank account, wire transfer, international wire, debit card, credit card. Now, after you select the payment method, for example, bank account, tap on add recipient, and as you can see here, what you need to do, tap on bank details, and now select someone else. And as you can see here, if that recipient inside Europe, you will need their full name, IBAN, country, city, recipient address, and postcode. And if that recipient outside Europe, you will need their full name, SWIFT code, IBAN code, country, city, recipient address, and postcode, and clicking continue, and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Croatia. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for your transfer up to £500. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.